Hey guys, Bill again from Competition Cars. Again, doing this video for a potential client of mine, but it's such a nice car, I want people to see it on Facebook, or not Facebook, but YouTube. And if my guy does not buy the car, as I said in the previous video that I did, it's a little more in detail, I'm gonna put it on Bring a Trailer, which is a 7-day online auction. Matching numbers, looks good, drives good. There's a shot of it with the top down. I've got the boot half-heartedly attached, just so you can see it. But talk about a gorgeous machine right there. My gosh. And I'm not talking about the FedEx truck. I mean, that thing has just got beautiful lines, beautiful color, super, super clean. And I haven't even done my thorough detailing to it yet. This is just kind of a quick wash, quick vacuum. And like I said, I'll start working on it, doing the paint correction and the under hood engine bay restoration. So there's kind of a shot of it with the top down. Beautiful, beautiful car. And I left it run so you guys can hear it. Sounds good. Got a good sound to it. Laser straight body. Just the kind of car you guys are looking for. Cut clean and everything. Looks the dash and everything is so straight. So check it out, guys. Like I said, my buddy Tom may be buying this car. So like I said, I'm doing the video for him, but I want you guys to see it too. I know the people that subscribe to our channel enjoy these walk-arounds and enjoy taking a look at what I've got in stock for sale. Now, Tom doesn't take this car. I will be sure to let you guys know, hey, it's available, and it'll be hitting Bring a Trailer at some point. And but I think Tom knows what the car is worth compared to what I offer to him for, so I think he's going to scoop it up. So everybody wish Tom luck. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you looking.